So next is let's talk about the 21st sum. So what is the 21st sum? Of all the closed cylindrical tanks of given volume, or cylindrical tank, adukku given volume. So given you should write in the right side volume, which is pi r square h. Oh, that's been given as 100 cube, 100 centimeter cube. So 100 is equal to pi r square h. Okay, find the dimensions of the can which has minimum surface area. Minima is about surface area. Surface area, let's call it as S. So you have to differentiate. What is the surface area of a cylinder? It's total surface area. If it's curved surface area, they would have given it. Okay, so surface area means total surface area, which is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So you can't have two variables. So you have to use h is equal to 100 by pi r square, or r square is equal, r pota you will get root also, I will avoid that. So s is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So now everything has become in terms of r. So r and r get cancelled, pi and pi get cancelled, and s is equal to therefore 200 by r plus 2 pi r square. I haven't differentiated because maxima means differentiated value should be equal to 0. So our minima also differentiated value is equal to 0. So ds by dr is equal to minus 200 by r square plus 4 pi r. This can be equated to 0 because there is no slope at that point. 200 by r square is equal to 4 pi r. So 200 is equal to 4 pi r cube. This can be okay. 200 is equal to 4 pi r cube. So what is it I did? I got 4 pi r cube to be 200. 4 pi r cube. From which you can find what is r. R cube is equal to 200 by 4 pi. This r itself is 200 whole to the power 1 by 3 pi 4 to the power 1 by 3 pi to the power 1 by 3, whatever. I can substitute that r here. I can find the value of h. H is equal to 100 by pi into what is r. R itself is 200 whole to the power 1 by 3 by 4 to the power 1 by 3 into pi to the power 1 by 3, the whole square in this case. So 100 by whatever is the calculation involved. Is it right? Whatever done? Let me check. Of all the closed cylindrical cans of given volume 100 cubic centimeter, find the dimensions of the can which has maximum surface area. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So V is equal to pi r square h, which is already given as 100, from which you are writing what is h and substituting back. 2 pi r into h by h bala 100 by pi r square. R and r get cancelled, pi and pi get cancelled. So 200 by r plus 2 pi r square. So on differentiating, 200 minus 200 by r square plus 4 pi r is equal to 0. It's equal to 4 pi r. So r square it will become r cube. So r cube is equal to this, and this can be cancelled. No, I could have cancelled it, right? So then therefore r is equal to 50 to the power 1 by 3 by pi to the power 1 by 3. And substituting this here, this is a less solved value, so just keep it here. So h is equal to 100 by pi r square. What is r square? R itself is 50 to the power 1 by 3 by pi to the power 1 by 3, the whole square. So it will become h is equal to 100 by pi into 50 to the power 2 by 3 by pi to the power 2 by 3. This is like pi to the power 1. Using exponents, h will be equal to, you can write this 100 as 50 into 2 by 50 to the power 2 by 3. So again I can use exponents in this, correct? Pi to the power 1 by pi to the power 2 by 3 is pi to the power 1 minus 2 by 3. So this is 50 to the power 1 minus 2 by 3, which is 1 by 3 into 2 by pi to the power 1 by 3. So 2 times 50 to the power 1 by 3 by pi to the power 1 by 3. This becomes my height. Okay, therefore you understand that one is twice the other. Is that the question? Find the dimensions of the can. They only asked you dimensions, we have found the dimensions. Okay, now you can go to the differentiated value and double differentiate to see if it's minima. So you are going to double differentiate, which is d square s by d. This is a test we will do, just half mark it is dr square, which will be plus 400 by r cube plus 4 pi, and you know double differentiation is positive here, definitely positive analysis. Therefore, the given function is minima. Perfect. Okay, let's go next sum. 20th sum. Show that right circular cylinder of given surface and right circular cylinder of given surface means S is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square is the surface area, the given surface area. So this S is what is given. Maximum volume. So what is differentiated is volume, because maximum volume differentiate value is equal to 0. What is volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. You can't have two variables, so write using the right hand side. You can't club r squares, so you can write only what is h. S minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r is h. On substituting here pi r square into s minus 2 pi r square by 2 pi r in potena, pi and r get cancelled. Thus V is equal to, take the r inside, SR minus 2 pi r cube. Now on differentiating this with respect to r, you know S is a constant given surface area kuduthirukkan. So S into dr by dr is 1 minus 2 pi constant, r cube is 3 r square. So it will become 6 pi r square, which is equal to 0, because differentiate value has to be equal to 0. X is equal to 6 pi r square. Now go back here, substitute 6 pi r square. 6 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So subtract this, so 4 pi r square is equal to 2 pi r h. Pi and pi get cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled, r and r gets cancelled, 2r is equal to h. Thus you get h is equal to 2r, and that's the question. They asked you to prove that height is equal to the diameter of the base. So we have proved. Okay, and again here it says maximum. So you have to take the differentiated value, which is this, and double differentiate. S itself is d square V by dr square is a test that you are carrying out for half mark. S itself will be 0 minus 12 pi r. So it's a negative value, and so the answer, that the function is the maxima. So let's go to next sum. Next sum is the 19th sum. Okay, 19th sum. Show that of all the rectangles that can be inscribed in a circle. Take a circle, inscribe a rectangle. Okay, the area of this rectangle is maximum only when the rectangle becomes a square. Please read the question using textbook. The rectangle becomes a square. So that is to prove. You know that as a circle is given to you, and your circle has been given to you, you are inscribing a rectangle such a way that the area of the rectangle is maximum. You have to write this as r and this is r, and therefore the entire diagonal becomes 2r. This is length and this is breadth, and you know 2r the whole square is equal to L square plus B square. This has been given. What is maximum? The area has to be maximum. What is area of rectangle, which is L into B? The area of the rectangle has to be maximum. Then you have to find that it becomes a square. We will find that. You can't have two variables, so you write B in terms of L, which is 4r square minus L square, and substituting here L into B is root of 4r square minus L square. In maxima minima, you are allowed to square both sides and differentiate. L square 4r square minus L square. So you can call this as Z, and on differentiating D is Z with respect to DL, because R is a constant. What is given to you is a circle, but take it inside 4r square L square minus L to the power 4, and then differentiate. 4r square is a constant into 2L minus 4L cube is equal to 0. So thus this becomes equal to this, which is 8r square L is equal to 4L cube. L and L square add up, 4 and 8 is 2, 2r square is equal to L square. Thus root 2r is equal to L. Now you have to substitute this in the right hand side, which is now find the base, which is root of 4r square minus L square. What is L square? It is 2r square. So then therefore it becomes 2r square, which is again root 2r. Thus base is also root 2r, length is also root 2r when you put maximum area, and therefore it becomes a square. Therefore it becomes a square. Only the square will have a maximum area. The rectangle will behave like a square to have a maximum area. Okay, now double differentiation to find its maximum. Take the differentiated value, double differentiate. d square is that, it's a test you are doing, d square is by dl square, 4r square, 8r square is a constant, L will become 1, dl by dl, so 1 minus 4 3 is 12 L square. So how to find whether it's negative or positive is to substitute L in terms of R. 8R square minus 12 into L square, L in terms of R is 2R square, so 24. So therefore you don't have to calculate, therefore it's negative. So the question is maxima. Therefore this confirms that the area that you obtain is definitely maxima. Okay. So let's go to next sum, which is the 18th sum. Of rectangular sheet, the sheet or sheet கொடுக்கிறேன், okay, Pranav, the length is 45 and the breadth is 24. In the sheet வச்சுட்டு I am asking you to make a box by folding this edges, okay, இந்த edges எல்லாம் fold பண்ணி அப்படி fold பண்ணா ஒரு box, open box கிடைக்கும், correct? You understand? It's an open box, okay. Now so அதுக்காக என்ன பண்ணுறோன்னா, you have to cut the 4 corners. They have asked you to cut the 4 corners of dimension x, square piece, cutting a square piece off and throwing it off and bending it. So when you bend it like this, the base will be 45 minus x, 45 minus 2x, and the this side will be 24 minus 2x, and the height will be x because you are going to fold it. So then it becomes a cuboid, and the area, volume of the cuboid is L into B into H, and the volume has to be maximum. You have to cut this x in such a way that the volume is maximum. So what is length? 45 minus 2x in the box, breadth another 24 minus 2x, height another x. So you have u, v and w, it's hard for me to differentiate, so bring it inside. 45 minus 2x into 24x minus 2x square வச்சுண்டா, now it's easy, I can differentiate it as u and v. முதல்ல இருக்கிறத அப்படியே இது, ரெண்டாவதுக்கு differentiate பண்ணா 24 minus 4x plus ரெண்டாவது இருக்கிறத அப்படியே இது, முதலுக்கு differentiate பண்ணா minus 2. So is equal to 0 ன்னு போட போறேன். You're going to solve this, okay. So what can you take out common from this? You can take 4 common from this. So 4 into 45 minus 2x into 6 minus x plus what's common in this? Another 2. So it will become minus 4 into 12x minus x square is equal to 0. The 4 and 4 thus gets cancelled out. So you can now take it in and multiply. What is 45 into 6? 6 5 is 30, 6 4 is 24, 270 minus 7 6 are 42x minus 45x. It's 1 second, it's 2, okay, I am sorry. Okay, now taking it and multiplying, 270 minus 12x minus 45x plus 2x square minus 12x plus x square is equal to 0. So on solving the like terms, minus 12x minus 24, 24 means 69x. So you get 270 minus 69x plus 3x square is equal to 0, from which you can take common 3. 90x minus 23x plus x square is equal to 0. So then you can take the negative sign, okay, it's just x square minus 23x plus 19 irka. Let's factorize 90, 45, 5 9s are 3 3s are. Idhula 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 18, 18 plus 5 is 23. You should know split it, 18 and 5. So 3 into x square minus 18x minus 5x plus 90 equals 0. So 3 into x minus 18 minus 5 into x minus 18 is equal to 0. Thus you have 3 into x minus 5 into x minus 18 is equal to 0. Thus you get x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 18. X cannot be 18 because you already have only a side of 24. How can you cut 18 here, 18 here? So this is not applicable. X is equal to 5 is the right answer. That's the dimension at which you have to cut so that you get maximum volume. Now to ensure its maximum volume, you have to take the differentiated value. Where have you differentiated? Yeah, this is the differentiated value here, even before equating it to 0, yeah. And when I have, you have a 4 outside, of course you will have a 4 outside, don't cancel off the 4, so the 4 will get carried forward. everywhere. There will be 4 in this line, there will be a 4, don't write that, there will be 4 here, there will be 4 here, so it will become 4 3s are 12 here. So there will be 12 into differentiated value, therefore d volume by dx is equal to 12 3 36. There will be 12 here, there will be 4 here, 4 3s are 12, doesn't matter. 12 into x square minus 23x plus 90, all that matters is this is what you are going to differentiate, which is 2x minus 23. 2x minus 23. What is x? X is 5. 5 2s are 10. So this answer is negative. So the volume that you got is definitely maximum. So let's go to 17th question. 17th question, you got a square piece whose length is 18. Means this is also 18, from which you are cutting a square piece of edge x. So then what happens here, this when you bend it, it will become 18 minus x, and this will become 18 minus x on the side, and the height will become 18, and it will become a cuboid with square base. Cuboid but square base. So length into breadth into height is the volume, but length and breadth are same, 18 minus 2x, sorry 18 minus 2x, okay. So it's 18 minus 2x, I am sorry, 18 minus 2x. So 18 minus 2x into 18 minus 2x into height is x. As I said, bring it in. 18 minus 2x into 18x minus 2x square. Now take this in and multiply. No, this u and v. dv by dx is equal to, முதல்ல இருக்கிறத அப்படியே எழுது, ரெண்டாவது இருக்கிறத டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ண 18 minus 4x plus ரெண்டாவது இருக்கிறத அப்படியே எழுது 18 minus 2x square, and முதல்ல இருக்கிறத டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ண minus 2. So now let's try to solve this, and before equating it to 0. So then what do you do? Can you see what is common here? What is common here? There's a 2 which is common, 2 2s are 4 which is common. So 9 minus x into 9 minus 2x plus what's common here is another 2, so it will become minus 4 because there's already existing 2, 9x minus x square. So this is what you get here, correct? So, oh sorry, there's a 4 which is common here, this is common here, no double bracket here, okay. The 4 that is common for this and a 4 that is common for this. So if I am going to equate to 0, the 4 will go away. So I will have 9 minus x into 9 minus 2x minus 4 into 9x minus x square alone. So take it in, 81 minus 2x, so 18x minus 18x minus 9x plus 2x square minus 36x plus 4x square now. So solve panna you get 81 minus x la solve panna. What is this? 9x, no? 18 minus 18 plus 9 another 8 to 16 17 27x. 27x minus 36x, 6 2s are 12, 13, 63x plus 2 and 6x square is equal to 0 னு வரும். ஸோ இதில் என்ன வழி எடுக்கலாம்? அகெயின் ஏற்கனவே ஒரு 4 இருந்துச்சு, அதை நம்ம டெலிட் பண்ணிட்டோம், ஏன்னா டபுள் டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேஷனுக்கு அது வேணும்ல அதனால். ஸோ இங்கேருந்து வாட் இஸ் காமன்? 6 இஸ் காமன். ஸோ எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் 6 is common, 3 is common, sorry. So 3 is common, so you get x 2x square minus 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3x plus 27 is equal to 0. So 27 2s are another 48. On factorizing this, I should get 21, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. How will I get 21 in this? 3 2 6, 6 2s are 12. Sorry, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 to 16, no. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s 24. I made some mistake, it will not be like this. So let me see what I have done. Cuboid 18 minus 2x, 18 minus 2x into x, 18 minus 2x into 18x minus 2x square. U and v முதல்ல இருக்கிறது அப்படியே இது, ரெண்டாவது டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணால் 18 minus 4x plus ரெண்டாவது இருக்கிறது அப்படியே இது, முதல்ல டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் minus 2. ஸோ இதுலேருந்து என்ன காமன் பார்த்தா 2 காமன், 9 minus x. இதுலேருந்து காமன் 2 எடுத்தீங்கன்னா it will be 9 minus 2x, correct? So what is common in that? Another 2. So it's 9x minus x square. So ஏற்கனவே ஒரு மைனஸ், ஏற்கனவே 2 வெளியே எடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ இட் become minus 4. ஸோ 4 த்ரூ அவுட் வெளியே எடுத்துடலாம். 9 minus x into 9 minus 2x, 81 minus 9 2s are 18 minus 9x plus 2x square. இது தப்பு இல்லையே. minus 36x plus 4x square, absolutely right. So 18 and 9 seems 27x plus 36 அதுவும் 63 தான் plus 6x square. ஸோ இதுலேருந்து காமன் எடுத்தால் 3 தான் காமன் கிடைக்குதா? ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் 2x square plus 21x minus 21 plus 27 is equal to 0. 27 2s are 27 2s are தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன். 27 2s are 7 2s are 14, 2s are 54. Chha, Aditi. Okay, sorry da, 54. So 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 3 and 9. So you have to get 9 2s are 18 and 3 will get me 21. So 3 into 2x square minus 18x minus 3x plus 27 is equal to 0. So 3 into 2x into x minus 9 minus 3 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Thus you get 3 into 2x minus 3 and x minus 9. So x is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to 9 is the two dimensions I am getting. And substituting here, it is not possible for x is equal to 9, it is not applicable. So x is equal to 3 by 2, 1.5 is what is possible. Have I made any mistake in this? I am not very sure, okay. Just cross verify my answer, because when I did yesterday, it wasn't this difficult. So what is the mistake I have done? Just spot this, okay, and verify with your book back, okay. And after this, from 11th to 16th sums, I have just given as homework yesterday. I am sure you guys would finish it, or at least you would have made an attempt to finish it, so that I can continue solving your doubts and going to miscellaneous today, okay. Just verify this one alone. Have I made any mistake? That's all.